is a Ochioha of Akabuka. That title is an Igbo title, but you say you're not from Igbo. Another traditional rulers that are here to honor our very special Deputy Governor.
You all have heard what the governor of River State, Governor Fubara, said. The title of that man that he's calling is Eze Ochioha of Akabuka. Eze Ochioha is an Igbo word na Igbo language. But Ogba people that are bearing that title are saying that they are not Igbo people. See, as you talk and people where did that place start to they laugh. It's very shameful. Some Ogba people came online saying that Governor Fubara is insulting them, that he's biting more than he can chew. Whether you Ogba people like it or not, we will keep telling the world that you people are Igbo people. You cannot run away from your shadow. The world is telling you that you people are Igbo people. Your governor knows that you people are Igbo people. Your governor knows your history. Some people will say you don't have the right to tell people their history. If I know your history very well, no, say this history is the factual history of your people. And you people come online lying. We go tell us, say, make una shut up, say una dey lie. The founder of Ogba Kingdom is called Akalaka, which means destiny. A brother of that Akalaka is called Ochichi. Ogba people know about it. Ikwere people know about it. Egbe people know about it. But because of the marginalization that Igbo nation is facing, Ogba people, Egbe people, and Ikwere people came together and decided to choose a lie that they will be propagating as their history. They all agreed that Akalaka is a Bini man. In the past, they not decree say they be Bini people. Now, during that Biafra war time, the constant report say they be Bini people, say they not be Igbo people. They are now lying, saying the name is not Akalaka, it's Akakalaka. Some of them are saying it's not Akalaka, it's Obelaka. Some of them are saying it's not Akalaka, it's Alakalaka. Shameless people. See as soon as just they take Akalaka name they play. In order to prove to the world that you people are not Igbo people, you started lying, twisting your history, telling your children lies. If you people are not Igbo people, why are you people speaking Igbo? You people say the reason why you people are speaking like Igbo is simply because Akalaka, your ancestor, married a woman from Abo. He then later married a woman from Ndoni. So now him wife's language, now him own children can't they speak. Abi, you people don't bear Benin name to show that you people are from Benin. Ekwe people don't bear Benin name. Ikwere people don't bear Benin name. Ogba people don't bear Benin name. Their names are all Igbo names. Show us a person in Benin Kingdom that is bearing Akalaka as a name, or not show us. Show us a person in Benin Kingdom that is bearing Ochichi as a name, or not show us. What is the meaning of Akalaka in Benin language? They don't know. What is the meaning of Ochichi in Benin language? They don't know. You people are forcing Benin identity on yourself. Oba of Benin himself knows, say, one-on-one, say, you Ikwere people are not Benin people. Oba of Benin knows that Ogba people are not Benin people. He knows that Ekpe people are not Benin people. Benin people are just claiming that Ogba, Ekpe, and Ikwere are Benin people, so that they will expand, have more land and population with people that they are not brothers with. If you be Ikwere person and you won't find out the true history of Ikwere, just go into a heated argument with Benin person. He go call you slave. He go tell you say now that they kill give juju before. That's why you people ran out from Benin land to your present location. Esechime people in Idu land are being killed by the Oba of Benin people for slavery and sacrifice. The history is there. You don't hide. Those Ika people that are claiming that they are Benin people today, in the past, now them Benin people they kill, they give juju, they use them for slavery. That's why they ran out from that place. Those Ika people are Igbo speaking people already in Idu land. They ran out from that place to their present location. Same with we Okwane people. Our ancestors from Okwane welcome from Benin and run come out from that place. They did not live in Idu Kingdom to settle in Okwane land because they are looking for fertile land to live. That Idu land where you see today is more fertile than Okwane land. Okwane land is swamp. Okwane land where we do so now swamp, water. Which person with him right sense go live Idu land where we say that land is so good and fertile for agriculture? Which person with him right sense go leave that land? Come inside swamp, say you want do farm. Check the history of Ozoro. Now run, come out from Idu land. They run, come out from that place. Come settle for that Ozoro way they do so. Ozoro na just swampy area. So all those people that are saying our ancestors from Idu Kingdom left Idu Kingdom to look for fertile land for farming. Now lie. It's a lie. If you check the history of Anambra people that left the southeast to our present location, they left that place to get more lands for farming and agriculture, to expand. No be war pursue them, they come out peacefully. But those our ancestors who come from Idu Kingdom, now war and invasion pursue them. So that is the case of Akalaka, the founder of Ogba Ekpe and some part of Ikwere. Some are saying Akalaka is a chief in Benin Kingdom. Igbos are also chiefs in Benin Kingdom. Ezechime, the founder of Ezechime clans in Anyama and Onitsha in Anambra State. Ezechime is a chief in Benin Kingdom. Ezemu, that founded Ubuluku, is a great Dibia. He's also a chief in Benin Kingdom. He's an Igbo man, not a Benin man. So, all these things now, Ogba Ekpe and Ikwere people see where make them come online, they lie, they deceive themselves, they thought say Akalaka. A man bearing Igbo name is a Benin man. Tell us the father of Akalaka in Benin. They not fit tell us. Tell us the name of Akalaka's father and mother in Benin. They not fit tell us. All they are saying is Akalaka is from Obelaka, saying all sort of lies to deceive themselves. Not all of our people, Ikwere people and Ekpe people, are saying that they are not Igbo people. So many of them know. But they fear say those ones where they power, where to say they not be Igbo people, go they find them to hurt them or to do the one strong thing. That's the truth. For Okwane land now, so many of Okwane people they fear say if they start to talk to the Igbo people, say their village people will hate them. This, that. Nothing will happen. You be their pikin, they're not gonna hurt you. Tell them the truth that they don't want to hear. That is life. If you want change, you must start speaking up. I want change for Okwane land. That's why I am here, debunking the lies that so many of our elders in Okwane are saying. How can you say that Chime, the founder of my village in Ogume, is a Benin man? How can you say that Odimegu, a man that founded a village in Ogume, is a Benin man? Are those names Benin names? During that Biafra war, everybody started to talk different lies to stay alive. Okwane people started telling their children not to ever identify as Igbo people. If person asks whether be Igbo, tell them say no, say not be Igbo. That is why you see some Okwane people saying that they are not Igbo people. So now a lie where they don't tell. Now they manifest. So where you go to see some of our people they thought they not be Igbo people. Even when they are Igbo people, they are still denying it. The name where Akalaka giving children now Igbo names. If Ikwere people are not Igbo people, why do they call themselves Ikwere? What is Ikwere? To agree. Agreements. What's the meaning of Ogba? Fence, garden, farm. That's the meaning of that word Ogba. That Ogba people are being called. I saw his Ogba, the king of Ogba Kingdom, saying that they are from Benin. We will know the true history of Ogba. We just look the video, they laugh. If elder for Umuchime Ogume tell me say Umuchime people are not Igbo people, Chime that gave birth to Umuchime people is not an Igbo man, he's a Benin man, I go tell and say, elder, you are lying. If you want to make a change, tell people the truth. The only people that are supporting you, our people, you go and Ekpe people that are saying that you are not Igbo, the only people that are supporting you are non-Igbo speaking people that want you people to be a minority like them. Who are the people supporting you people? Benin people. They are the major people supporting you people. If you say that you are not Igbo, Asari Dokubo there, they thought say you people should stop deceiving yourself that you are Igbo people. Asari Dokubo is telling the history of our people, telling them that they are Igbo people, that they should stop denying it. And some people are saying Asari Dokubo is just talking anyhow. Not lie. He told you people the facts. Ogba people are Igbo people. There's no amount of lie that Ogba Kingdom, Ekpe and Ikwere people will tell today that will make the world to believe that they are not Igbo. People that will believe that Ikwere, Ogba and Ekpe people are not Igbo, a time will come, they will see these truths that we are saying today, and they will tell Ogba, Ekpe and Ikwere people that they are Igbo people. So anybody where they support una when not know na true history, go later stop to the support una. That person will start to tell you people the facts about yourselves. An Igbo person is an Igbo person, whether people are looking or not. Igbo bofu, and there's no amount of lie that Ogba, Ekpe, and Ikere people will say that will make the world not to see them as Igbo people. Ishe wale.